Good morning, dear.
Morning.
How are you today? Are you happy or sad?
I am happy.
Wow, teacher is happy to see you too. Now, dear, my name is Teacher Joy. What's my name again?
Teacher Joy.
Very good, that's right. And how about you, dear? What is your name?
My name is Lyra.
Wow, Zaira, you have a nice name. Now, Zaira, how old are you?
5 years old.
Wow, can you say I'm 5 years old?
Oh,
Very good. Okay, Zaira, before we will start our class, let's sing first. Do you like singing, Zaira?
yes.
Okay, can we sing? We all have five senses. Do you know that song?
No.
Okay, I let us sing the. We all have five senses. You can sing with me so that you will know that song. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Zaira. We all have five senses. Ready?
Sing.
We all have five senses. 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 We all have five senses. One, two, three, four, five. Eyes. Point your eyes, Zaira. Eyes are for seeing, seeing, seeing. Eyes are for seeing. One, two, three, four, five. Ears. Ears are for hearing, hearing, hearing. Ears are for hearing. One, two, three, four, five. Nose. Nose is for smelling, smelling, smelling. Nose is for smelling. One, two, three, four, five. Tongue. Tongue is for tasting, tasting, tasting. Tongue is for tasting. One, two, three, four, five. Now let's show me your hands, Zaira. Hands are for touching, touching, touching. Are for touching. One, two, three, four, five. Now, Zaira, very good. Nice singing. How many senses do we have, Zaira?
5.
We have five
Senses.
senses. And what are they, Zaira? We have
Of eyes.
ears, nose, tongue, and
Hands.
hands. We all have five senses. Okay, Zaira, nice singing. Now we will start our class now. Are you ready?
Yes, we are. Yes, I am ready.
Very good. Now, Zaira, welcome to Pantandos class. Okay, let's go to our first page. Zaira, look at the picture. What can you see? Look, Zaira. What can you see in the picture? Giraffe. What else?
Elephant.
Animals. Very good. And what are they, Zaira?
Animals.
Animals. Now can you say they? Okay, wait. Can you say they are?
They are
They are an animal. Okay, can you read this one, Zaira?
They
Are
animals.
an animals. Very good, Zaira. They are an animals. Good. Now, let's proceed to our next page. Oops. Look, picture, and repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Okay, Zaira. I want you to look, picture, and repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Can you say giraffe?
Giraffe.
Very good. How about this one? Can you say hippo?
Hippo.
Very good. The last one, crocodile.
Crocodile.
Wow. One more time, Zaira. Can you say one more time? What is this, Zaira?
Crocodile.
Very good. How about this one?
Hippo.
Very good. How about this one?
Giraffe.
Wow, that's right. Okay, Zaira, let's proceed to our next page. Zaira, look at the picture. I want you to match the words with the correct pictures. Okay, can you do it, Zaira?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Go, Zaira. Go, Zaira. Go, go, Zaira. Wow, very good. Okay, let's check your answer if it is correct, Zaira. Okay. Wow, perfect. You get the correct answer, Zaira. Okay, Zaira, can you tell me what is this?
Crocodile.
Very good. How about this one?
Giraffe.
Wow, how about this one?
Mm,
Hippo.
Hippo.
Okay, Zaira, can you say this is
Yes.
a crocodile?
And crocodile.
How about this one? Can you say this is
This is
a giraffe?
a giraffe.
Okay, how about this one, Zaira? Can you say this is
This is
a hippo?
a hippo.
Oh, very good, Zaira. Okay, Zaira. Let's proceed to our next topic. Oops. Okay, today, Zaira, we will learn about grammar. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's start. Mm. Okay, Zaira, can you read this one? What color?
Is it
Okay, what color is it? Zaira, do you still remember what kind of animal is this?
crocodile?
It's a crocodile. And Zaira, what color is it?
Green and yellow.
Very good. Okay, can you say it is green and
yellow.
okay, very good, Zaira. Okay, another example sentence is this crocodile
Crocodile
is
is
green and yellow. Okay, Zaira, very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Next, okay, Zaira, can you read this one?
yes. What
Oh,
color are
are
they?
very good. What color are they? Okay, Zaira, look at the picture. What color are they?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, Zaira, what is the name of this animal? Do you still remember? Oh, hippo. And Zaira, how many hippo do you see? Can you count?
Two.
Two. Very good. And Zaira, what color are they?
They are purple.
Very good. They are purple. Another example sentence is these hippos are
Purple.
purple. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next page, Zaira. Oh, okay, Zaira, now you are going to fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Zaira. Okay, Zaira. I want you to fill in the blanks. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Now, Zaira, you are going to read this and fill in the blank. What's missing? What is the missing word? Okay. Look at the picture, Zaira. Okay, can you read?
What
What color is?
it?
What is your answer?
It.
It. Let me check. Wow, correct. Very good, Zaira. Great job. Okay, Zaira, look at the picture. What is the color of this? What color is it, Zaira?
Black.
Okay, can you say it's
It's black.
black? Very good. And what is the color black? What is the name of this animal, Zaira?
Hippo.
Very good. It's a hippo. Okay, next. Zaira, look at the picture. What are these pictures?
Crocodiles.
Very good. It's a crocodile. Okay. Can you read this one, Zaira? And you are going to fill in the blank. What color? Mm, what's your answer, Zaira? What color?
Are they?
Wow, very good. Beautiful. Oh, D-J-O-B. Good job. Good job. Very good, Zaira. And how about this one? What is your answer here, Zaira? Zaira, what is your answer here?
They are blue.
Wow! Zaira is very smart. Very good. Teacher is very happy because Zaira is so smart. Okay, next, Zaira, let's go to our next topic. Now, Zaira, let's learn about listening. Okay, listen, Zaira. Let's learn about listening. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, now, Zaira, this is it. I want you are going to listen and write. Okay, what you are going to do, Zaira? You are
Right.
going to listen and write. Okay, and there is one example here. Okay, I want you to listen the audio and write your answer. Okay,
Yes.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
okay, you can do it, Zaira. Go, Zaira. Go,
2.
Zaira.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
It's okay, Zaira.
3.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
It's okay, Zaira. Take your time. You can do it. Okay, it's okay, Zaira. I know that you know already what is the answer here. Okay, I will just ask you what is the answer. So, what is the name of the zoo, Zaira?
Jungle
Ah,
Hill.
Jungle Hill. Very good. How about the number of different kinds of animals?
89.
89. Very good. How about this one, number 3? Can give food to?
Animals.
Oh, what kind of animals? What is the name of animals we can give food to? What is the name?
Parrot.
Parrots. Very good. Zaira is very good. You are very smart, and because of that, I will give you a 5 fireworks claps. Do you like fireworks claps, Zaira?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Boom! Yay! Okay, next, Zaira, let's proceed. Now, Zaira, let's learn about reading. Do you like reading books, Zaira? Hello, Zaira. Do you like reading books?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I like reading too. And Zaira, what kind of books do you like to read?
Story.
Stories. Wow. Okay, Zaira, let's proceed. Let's learn about reading. Wow, Zaira, look at the picture. What can you see?
Shark.
Shark and
People.
hippo. Okay, Zaira, I want you to read the story and write some words to complete the sentences. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to read the story, Zaira. Can you read the story?
No.
You don't know how to read this one?
Yes. Don't know how to read.
Can you read this one, Zaira?
Mm,
Vicky
Vicky.
lives
Read.
with
Read.
her parents
Parents.
and
And
her
her
two
two
brothers.
brothers.
This one, Zaira. Sam
Sam
and
and Paul
Paul
in the city last week.
week. They
They
had
had
a
a
holiday
holiday.
by the sea.
Sam
Sam,
and when
Sam again. Sam is 10. Vicky is 8. But
But Paul
Paul
is
okay. You can read, Zaira.
only only 5.
Okay. Next.
And they went to the farm
Cinema on Wednesday
on Wednesday
because
because
it rained
it rained
all day.
all day.
They saw
Saw
a film about
about
sharks. The sharks had very big teeth. Is Zaira, what is it?
kids.
Paul didn't like watching them. Okay, Paul didn't like watching them and he closed his eyes. Okay, Zaira, I want you to answer the question and okay, Zaira, I want you to write the answer here. Number 1. Okay, there is one example above. Look at this one. Can you read? Vicky's family went on holiday last week. What is your answer? It
And
Very good. It rained. Okay, it rained all day on Wednesday. And the family went to the cinema. How about number 2? Paul didn't enjoy seeing. What is it? What Paul didn't like to watch? What is it, Zaira? The sharks. Okay, the sharks in the film. Very good, Zaira. It's okay, Zaira. Okay, next. Now, Zaira, we're almost done. Okay, Zaira, let's learn about speaking. Are you ready, Zaira? Let's learn about speaking. Now, Zaira, look at the picture. What is this?
Giraffe.
Wow, that's giraffe. What color is it? What color is it, Zaira?
Yellow and brown.
Wow, very good. Zaira, do you like drawing animals? Wow, which animals can you draw? Zaira, what animals can you draw? Cat. Can you draw in the screen, Zaira?
Yes.
Okay. You can do it, Zaira. What is that?
Cat.
Oh, I thought that's number 5.
Stop working.
Oh, is it not working?
Working now.
It's okay. You can take your time. Mm,
I can draw the nose.
can't draw the nose.
Yeah.
Should put the nose there because it can't breathe if you can't put the nose. Oh, it looks like a dog. Wow! Very good, Zaira. You can do it. I know. Oh, yes, correct, Zaira. Now, Zaira, what's your favorite wild animal?
Cat.
Cat. Wow, I like that too. Okay, Zaira. We're done. So today, Zaira, our lesson is finished. We're done already, Zaira. Okay. Now, I want you to remember what we learned today. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Zaira, I hope to see you next time.